to treasures,
where we find something from the dump.
and we bring them back to life.
This was our project last week.
This was an old rusty bike. We got new tires, we painted the bars, new grips, and now look at it. It was so rusty before, and
Now it's all clean. And this week we're gonna do it again.
let's go to the dump and see what we can come up with.
All right, what are you guys up to in here? Where are you, first of all?
At the dump.
And what is this called? What is that right there, Brady?
Here it is.
You got a scooter with wheels?
Yep.
All right,
The other one.
and then show me what it can go with. What's this thing?
What?
What'd you find here?
This is a tramp scooter.
What's that mean?
You just take on the trampoline and bounce it.
You bounce.
Oh, so they removed the wheels and everything?
Yeah,
All right, why is that one so good?
because it has everything on it still.
To go with what? Show me what else you got.
The,
Go pick it up. Explain to me what's happening today. What are you guys up to?
so we're looking for bikes and scooters to restore and stuff.
You gonna fix them up?
Yeah, and we found this trick scooter.
See, if you just found that trick scooter, but what's up with it?
It's missing a back tire.
And a tag.
All
that
right,
one
but you
has-
just found that one?
Yeah, which has tires.
And also has suspension. Weirdly enough.
Oh, cool. So you could make one good trick scooter out of the two scooters?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty
take
amazing.
like the wheel off of this.
All right, keep digging. See what else you can come up with. Walk along the border, see if there's anything up there.
This frame off and like put this on another scooter.
And make
this
one
is
good scooter out of
a
it?
pretty good frame.
And maybe like repaint it.
Except there's a bunch of like socks on it.
All right, grab it.
And we can repaint
this
it.
one.
We'll see if we can make one really nice scooter out of
We
it
can also
all.
repaint this like matte black or something.
Yeah, totally.
Whatever color we want.
It's like a Clemson football board. Clemson.
Oh, but it's broken. It's a table. Nah, leave it. We don't want junk. All right, I think we did what we needed to do here. All right, let's go to the dump store and see if there's anything inside.
Alright, so let's pack these things.
All right, toss it in there right next to the fireworks, next to the explosives. Anything good in here?
You got a helmet.
Do we need helmets? We do need helmets. Take the red one. We could take the red and the yellow one. You're always looking for
It
helmets.
lights up on the back. Got flashing.
Old baseball board.
Nah, we don't need a glove. What else is in there? Anything good?
Mom, makeup set for mom.
No. What do you got there?
You
What is
guys would
that?
never let me get this at the store. It's one of those things where you go up and try to get it in.
All right, I think we got what we need. Let's get out of here and go restore your scooters. Speaking of bikes, they found this on the side of the road at a yard sale. $10, you got yourself a bike. Let's go home and clean it up. There they go. See you in a minute. They're all excited to show off their prizes. You got yourself a bicycle. All right, go put it together. Go get all your scooters together and let's see if we can come up with some nice scooters. Just start by removing everything off of that scooter.
Yeah.
What do you
Like
think
strip
is
it
that?
down and then
It's a
rebuild
trampoline
it.
scooter. So like you take it on a trampoline
And then you can do tricks
it's
with
like
it.
bouncy and you can do tricks and stuff and learn tricks on a trampoline. So
That would actually be a good practice scooter to learn your tricks on
Yeah.
and then work on that scooter with
and our
it.
neighbor has a trampoline.
Or not even, you can do it on the ground.
Right now we're trying to get all these socks off to see what's underneath the tramp scooter.
Tape is under it.
Ton of duct tape.
So we're probably just gonna unwrap this maybe and see what's under there.
So I think we're gonna just like keep this as a tramp scooter. So we're gonna repaint all these bars, repaint this, but we're gonna keep all the duct tape on because this was a good tramp scooter. So come on.
Now that we found all our beat scooters, now let's see which one is best for our new one. Decided to go with these wheels on this scooter because I think it would look good on the back wheel.
We have an Allen key and we're gonna loosen the wheel out. That's the original color. Okay, let's put the wheel on now.
So you've come into a snag because this is wider
Then
than
that
your
one
Ninja Turtle one.
and that one.
And that one too?
Yeah.
So we need spacers and longer bolts. So if I stick this in here, it doesn't reach this side and we have this much play. So we need to figure that out.
These wheels came with these little spacers that we accidentally dropped. Luckily we found them. Maybe the wheel will fit now.
Pull this out, put one spacer in the wheel so it fits.
There's a little
Line
thing
it
that
up.
has to go through.
Yeah, it's very weird.
All right, now when it comes through this side, spacer goes in. We have to see the hole from this side. Hold this. I'm gonna take that bolt. As soon as I see it, I'm gonna try to catch it. Ooh, I dropped it.
Has to be perfect timing. Should we get the Allen key and tighten
You
it?
need 2 Allen keys and tighten it. Now Brady, stand where I was standing and watch it.
Should I go grab another Allen key, Dad?
Yeah.
There's only one of this size.
Brady, get him and the...
So we got 2 Allen keys. Let's tighten it. That side seems good. Let's double check with the bigger one. Yep, that one's tight. I'm loosening it.
So something cool about, like, these used to be rollerblade wheels, like inline skates, and now they're on scooters. These are the bearings. These are the wheel bearings. This is what lets the wheel spin. You can actually hear the sand when I spin it, so you know the bearings are dirty. There's not a lot of grease in them anymore. And the grease wears out, it's metal on metal. They're actually rated, so ABEC. So it'll actually say ABEC right there. Like, the higher the number ABEC, the better the bearings. Like ABEC 7 or ABEC 5, the higher the number, the better the bearing. the smoother the wheel spins. All right, let's check on your progress. How'd you do?
We have gotten the wheel in.
You have a full scooter?
Yes.
All right, why does this look all banged up though? What happened here?
Okay, so this wasn't quite big enough.
So we hit it with the hammer, and it kind of bent it in.
So you kind of pressed this together to make
'cause it
these
wasn't
fit.
big enough.
Together.
Are these tight now?
Not completely, but good enough for now. But we're gonna tighten it some more.
All right, let's put it to the test. I'm gonna test it out. It's pretty tight, guys. I would say so. And the front's tight. You tested it?
Yeah, I think
Let's check
so.
this. We get a full spin. Hear how you can hear it?
Yeah, so they're
That's
not
how
the
you know
best
the bearings aren't that great. Spin that one. Yeah, a little better, right? All right, go test it out. All right, so you got all these scooters. These are part scooters?
Yep.
All right, so just keep these for later. This one you got today?
Yep.
Oh, nice, and you didn't need those wheels? All right, so that one is the new one from the junkyard, right?
Yep, and this one.
And that one.
Yeah. That's
Okay, this one you took the wheel off of this green Ninja Turtle one, and now you have a full scooter. Are you gonna keep that as like a stunt scooter to practice on off the track?
On the trampolines.
All right, cool. And then you're gonna keep these for extras.
Yep.
And then you have Kendall's, and then Logan's.
Logan's mine. Wait.
All right, cool. Why don't you guys go show them off?
Alright. Oh wait, quick question. Do you think we should keep the stickers on or no? Comment down. below.
Yeah, comment down below. Should we keep the stickers, paint them, or what? I think you did a nice job, though.
Hey, let's go try them on the skate park.
All right.
Okay, we're all finished the scooter. Finished. Now let's go take it to the skate park. Ready? 3, 2. Make sure you like and subscribe to see what we find next week.
See you later.
Adios.